Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose, what do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Alhamdulillah, you have got this certificate and prize, both you have got, and this much respect. You must be now on top of the world. Yeah, you are. Okay, very good. So let us know that what do you want to say, what is your feeling, in which word do you want to express your feeling in front of these guys? Tell them.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Good evening. Firstly, I want to thank all of you for being here, and especially I want to thank our great Mr.Ghulam Nabi sir for building this amazing institute and imparting us the art of public speaking. And I also want to thank all the teachers of Global Spoken English who all have taught us very well. And I am really grateful to be here and receive this certificate and gift also. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Okay, thank you very much. Very good. आप देख रहे हैं कि बस घड़ी आने वाली है कि वो
ग्लोबल स्पोकन इंग्लिश फर्राटेदार अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखे मात्र 90 दिनों में।